Hey you guys, I just have to share. I'm obsessed with skincare if you guys didn't know. Sheet mask is one of the things I am obsessed with, and I think I grew up with sheet mask being Korean American. I decided to try sheet mask for a week and see how my skin reacts and everything. I actually purposely chose a brand, Karuna, because this brand doesn't irritate my skin. Sheet mask could contain so much nutrients but that are chemical, and if it has fragrance it could also break you out. I'm a combination sensitive skin, so that happens to me very often. Okay you guys, today is day 1 and I turned 32 yesterday, so I thought it would be a good way to start my year. This is what I'm trying today, the exfoliating, and it's pineapple one. This is how you put on a mask. For those of you that always ask me questions, I love sheet masks. Oh, as Korean American or Koreans, like Korean girls, we grew up with sheet masks. So for us, it's like kind of second nature. But this one is kind of cool. It has a little film that's like really thick. I guess this is the way it holds moisture, but any mask will do, to be honest. But so you literally just match your face. It's not gonna be exact science, but it's important that you try to cover all the areas as much as possible. Like, see, it's slightly big for my face, but that's okay. You could pull it, and you could, like, if you're lucky enough, and it could like cover your neck too, then it's good too. Okay, you guys, I'm in a terrible rush, so look at what I did to myself. I ripped my mask everywhere, and also, but I just feel like I needed an extra hydration, so I used the Karuna age defying one. Second day of mask, but I honestly believe that it's a really good for hydration in the morning. So, oh, it's all ripped. But okay, I'm gonna smear it in and then do my makeup and head out for the day. Bye. No, I don't look happy today because I'm tired. I stayed up till 3 a.m. helping my mom. Hi mom. I taught her how to use Photoshop yesterday till 3 a.m. Trooper. So I'm exhausted, and before I start my day, even though it's late, I'm gonna do a renewal mask today, just eyes, and while I get some reading done and planning done. Alright, I don't know if you guys ever feel this way, but I feel like I'm always rushing and I'm always multitasking. So this is what I'm doing today. Eating breakfast. And I used to do this when I was in corporate world too. I would always eat breakfast while I'm doing like spreadsheets. You wanna see my breakfast? So today's breakfast is meal prepped. Greek yogurt with chia seed, raspberry, and strawberry. Also has coconut thickener or creamer. It's delicious and refreshing after a workout. Now, what you're thinking, oh, you work at home, but you know what? As a creator, you also have a lot to do, and sometimes you just want to do everything all at once, so I end up doing this, and then sometimes my mask gets really gross. But I'm so tired. It's been a long day. It's Sunday today, and I'm gonna use this mask to finish off today by doing this mask and putting some Kindle books on to relax before bed. Okay, the last day, I am showing you how I remove my makeup with the Croon. And also, it was a long day, so I just didn't feel like talking. So I'm doing a voice over. Look at how crazy I look. But this is the first mud mask that tried it in sheet mask. So at first, didn't really fit my face, so I had to kind of press it down, but it was quite amazing. And I love mud masks, especially for my bubble bath. So this is a winner. This is absolute winner. Okay, I'm in my tub, ready for some relaxed me time. So I guess this is where we say goodbye. Don't I look relaxed? Okay, my true honest opinion on sheet masks. They're temporary hydration and also good for relaxing, as you've seen, but it's not a permanent solution like anything. You need water, and also it's important that you take care of your body. You have to work out, right? And you have to eat right. Sheet mask is one of my favorite things to do because it's like a quick oomph, you know, before makeup or before sleep, just amazing. But so I hope you really like this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up if you did, then subscribe to my channel for more self-care. Till then, bye.